Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Kenyon Jones, and today's topic is, let's take a deep breath. Today's topic is results. Results. One of the things that I do know and I do understand is that no matter what your intentions are, no matter what your heart is or where your heart is, no matter what good thing you had on your mind, at the end of the day, everything in life is about results. We can try to, paint a picture a different way. We can sugarcoat it. We can, have moral victories, in our minds. But at the end of the day, it is about results. And, we definitely have to be mindful because, there are some things that, you can't necessarily mark down as wins and losses, but for the most part, in order to achieve any level of success, a result must come from what's being done. So, perfect example of that is, going through grade school. You start out in pre-kindergarten, you go to kindergarten, and hopefully first grade, second grade, all on through high school. And the fact of the matter is that you have to perform at a certain level in order to be able to get to the next grade. And it has nothing to do with being a nice person. It has nothing to do with being a well-behaved child. At the end of the day, there are things that have to be done in order to be promoted to the next grade. And if those benchmarks aren't met, then you cannot move on to the next grade. Now, some cases, like in the case of social promotion, people are being, or kids, students, I should say, are being promoted just because they're getting older and they don't have enough space to leave them back. But in, schools where that's not an issue, you have to perform and you have to be able to achieve what needs to be achieved in order to get to that next level of success. So in life, there are things that we have to do in order to be able to move up and move into that upper echelon of whatever field or endeavor we're involved in. If you're not producing, then it has nothing to do with you being a nice person. It has everything to do with you not being a productive person, because life is a results-oriented life. If we don't have a certain amount of money, we can't buy a certain thing. We'll be able to buy whatever it is, that our money will allow us to buy. But we're not able to buy something that is outside of our price range. And that price range is really a matter of the results that we have exhibited in our careers and in our businesses, in our investments, so we can't get upset about how much things cost. We can complain about it, we can, say we wish it wasn't as high as it is. But my mentor said, and I never forget, he said, things do not cost too much, but you don't make enough. Things don't cost too much, you just don't make enough, and it's harsh to say, because when you're on that side of money and you don't have enough, it does feel, like, man, why did he say something like that? Or why did she say something like that? But the reality of it is that it's not that it costs too much. The reality is that we don't make enough, so we have to come up with creative ways to put ourselves in situations where we don't want for anything. And I don't just mean in the moral sense. I don't just mean in the the mental sense. I mean in the sense of, the tangible financial sense. If we see something that we want, we have an option that we can purchase that thing because we worked hard in areas of our lives in terms of business, in terms of our employment, in terms of our investments. We were smart with what we did with our time and with our money, and we put ourselves in a position where we can purchase anything that we want to purchase. And not just so that we can have things and just so we can say we got a bunch of things, but so that we can say, you know what? I'm able to get whatever it is I want because I worked hard, and I put time and effort and energy into putting myself and my family in a space where, things are not, without reach. Everything is within reach. So with that being said, I want to say thank you to all of you who subscribe to Kenyon Jones on YouTube. This Kenyon Jones Presents series was really made for individuals who are right there that just need a push. They need a little bit of motivation. They need a little bit of inspiration. And they're trying to get to that next level and they just don't know how to get there. this is for you. You know, so I want to thank everyone who subscribes. I want to thank all my viewers all over the country, all over the world. I am grateful for the platform that I have created for myself, and I really look forward to doing more videos that are encouraging, empowering, and inspiring in the future. Thank you for watching, and God bless.